Not too bothered. Yeah, if I miss it, I miss it. It's kind of it's just kind of helping my discipline really. Because if I got pissed off about it, I would never leave the charts. So it's just like, what can you do, eh? Sometimes you catch moves,
Yeah,
sometimes you don't. It's just how it is.
yeah.
Wow. Okay, we're high. Jesus, we're breaking. Okay, right. 1 second. Let's get something sorted here. We got the music on. Morning. Let's just see what was I gonna do here. Oh yeah, OBS. Yes, the music's at a good level. Let me just change this. I don't like this one. Here we go. Alright. Turn that down a little bit. Right, nice. Welcome everyone. 8 people in the chat. Let's go. Morning. So let's start on GJ. I'll be doing a review on GJ. Actually, let's just get rid of yesterday's GJ buys. I said we called out. Nice. So the start of the end of the week. To be the end of the week today, we have got some big news later on. So I won't even be looking at gold, but I'll still do the analysis for it. But gold in itself will probably range until the news comes out. So there's no point in even looking at it. So I'll do it plainly for the benefit of just like learning how to market charts and stuff. GJ's looking good. So if you look here, GJ, I'm going to be wanting a close either above this kind of region 9.5, but more safer at 9.79 right here. Because before it was resistance right here, and now it should be okay. So if we do here. These candles couldn't close, these candles couldn't close, these candles couldn't close. So if we get a candle looking like this, and I'm still going to do the same thing even though today, this week, London has been very, very rigorous with its low wicks, being barely any here. Then I'll be getting the trade candle here, and then off we go. So that's what I'll be looking for here. Let's just check all of the time frames, but I'm pretty sure they'll all be bullish, hopefully. Let's have a look. So let's start on the daily time frame here, guys. Let's see, is my mic working fine? Yep, lovely stuff. So daily time frame, let's have a look here. We have the flip. Let's have a look. The flip right here. So we are bullish for the daily, which is good. Let's see if the 4 hour. The 4 hour is also bullish, but bearing in mind the last one was bearish, and we're quite close to flipping over here. So. But we're looking at buys above this region here, so this will be strong 4 hour candles at that point over there, so that's alright. Let's look further on, 30-minute time frame. Oh wow, look at that dip. Look like it was coming up there. So where we got the support here? Well, we've got a support. Let's just see where this was. This was 5 o'clock. Okay, so we seem like we had a fake out here. So I think the actual support is down at this level right here, which is on the daily flip, which is reasonable. I like that. Because as you can see here, price came from here, supported it, then we actually had a little fake out and came straight back in the range. These tapped it all here, and it just tapped it here. So this is the support that we have right now, which is great. Welcome, 13 viewers, welcome in the chat. Morning, let's go. Okay, that's really good. So we've got our support and resistance. Now where are we looking for sells? Well, we had a nice push yesterday. At 3 o'clock, unfortunately that's not my time. 1:30 is probably like my last time, but I was busy anyway. And you can see that there was a resistance here. So if price does start to close and get some solid closes, probably preferably down at this level, we could come back down to this level here. If these daily and 4 hour candles flip, and then if you go for buys and we actually get some bullish momentum, wow, look at this. So this is quite nice for me. So as you can see, we looking left, we've got some clean candles all the way up to here. So I think this is the first kind of level right here. Yeah, I'll put it like here. It's the first little zone, and if we do exceed this zone, we're going to be coming up to these highs and the support which is there. So let's measure these out here. So if we do get a runner here, yeah, it's about 12 pips in the first range, and the next one's 25, which is the proper one. That should be good. And then to the all-time highs with momentum, we could actually get all the way up to here. Let's have a look at the weekly, because the weekly time frame is going to be closing soon. Yes, you can see actually on the weekly we do have some sort of resistance here, which we need to be careful about, right here. But we should be already taking profits at that point there. So this is the main target, and then runners could probably tap these levels and these levels, so we're all good. Hello, hello, welcome in the chat. 5 likes already, 16 viewers, amazing stuff. Morning. What are you thinking about NFP today? Okay, I'll do a little download on that. First thing I'm going to do though, guys, is look at the news, which is going to be talking about that, and I'll tell people. Actually, to be fair, I might edit my thing. 1 second. NFP day. Why is that? Oh shit, 101. There we go. Welcome in the Zoom, the boys. I want to put, if you guys can put videos on as well next time or whatever, if you want to, that would be cool. I can have them on the side. That'd be pretty sick. Hello. Alright, so let's see if there's any GBP news, because this is what we're focusing on. We have someone speaking at 12:15. You can see today, yesterday, sorry, when someone was speaking yesterday, oh my god, the volume was huge. It was here. This candle right here, pulled all the way down, pulled all the way up, 50 pip. Oh my god, 50 pips, bro. Madness. So let's have a look here. We've got CAD news, we've got USD news at 1:30. Non-farm employment change. This is going to be really, really important. Unemployment rates. So these are the big boys. And I'll probably be doing some nice buy stops and sell stops on gold, because that's the easiest way to make money on them, to be honest. As long as you get the ranges right, you should be good. But what I say to people, everyone on the stream, if you are looking at gold today, I'd advise waiting until the news comes out, because let's have a look at it. Because normally it ranges like a bitch before. Let's have a look. Yeah, as you can see, it's ranging really. And if you get rid of all this traffic here, let's look at the 30-minute. You can see the volume is not there because we're waiting for news. News is going to affect it. So you can see we're having a support at this level here, and we've also got a support, a resistance at kind of this area here. It's holding. And it's likely to stay in this zone for a couple of hours, okay? So I advise not touching gold until the news comes out. But yesterday I did say at 1806 you need to get in for some sells. Unfortunately I was out of the charts, but basically I had this zone here, right here. I had an alert, so my alert came on my trading view. I was like, oh shit! And if I just got in here, bro, oh, that'd be nice. It would have, I think it melted 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips, bro. But that was from news as well. Lovely stuff. But yeah, I would have actually got in those sells at this point here. So look at the 5 minutes, see if we could have got in. Yeah, straight down. So I mean, anything below these kind of wicks here, this resistance, this support here, would have been fine. But yeah, so this is the one thing that I've learned from numerous years doing this: do not trade gold before NFP, because it's just gonna range and you can be in a trade for hours. There's no point. Right, so actually these last hourly candles are closing bearish. Okay, all these questions, right? Lee Creations, what are you thinking about NFP today? Yeah, I just said, I think NFP gold bullish. Well, we have to wait until the news comes out. What is your maximum profit in one day? Oof, fucking hell. Probably about like 50 pips full lot, 60 pips full lot. So not too bad. Are you a funded trader? Yes, I was a funded trader, and then I've got my own funds as well. So I've got a bit of both. Oh, this new monitor is fire, man. It's so clear. It's lovely. So in 15 minutes time, if you do get, I'm gonna try and I might make the support down to here now, I think. For the fact that, yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, so I'll take this as a very, very weak kind of level here, and this is a fake out as well. So I think if price does close below this region here, we could be in for sells, and sells could be quite nice here because this is an 18-pip range. That could be quite good, especially how the 4 hours flipped. The hourly is flipped. The daily hasn't flipped yet though, but we'll see. You can see the daily is coming towards rejection zones here, right here, right here. So if we do get some kind of momentum here, we should be good for the sells. Welcome everyone in the chat. 22 viewers. Morning, morning. Hello from Sri Lanka. Wow, we got Sri Lanka in the chat. I've moved the camera here. I'm gonna get a new camera today as well, so that'll be cool. It's like a 2K one, so that'll be pretty nice. And yeah, man, second week of doing live streams very nearly. It's been easy. Like. Yeah, get them likes up. Oh, look at this. So in a minute's time, we might get this close below, you know. Ooh. And that'll be the 7:45. Okay. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, I want to close below here. That'd be nice. And I actually could. So basically, what I would do is if I get a trade before 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, if I'm in profits, I'll have my stops to break even. That's kind of what my rule is. Yesterday, there's a good move to get on at 7:45, so still valid, and that's nice volume coming in there. Look at this. So I want a nice close here, a little top wick, and then to flip it, that would be my entry. That could be quite nice. Let's open my calculator. Open the calculator. So seeing very fluid there, you know. I'm seeing where price is going for London. Not too bothered about zones. Sorry, buys at the moment because the bearish pressure is just coming towards. But I'll only be in when the daily's flipping, which it is now. Yeah, lovely stuff. So I'll be waiting for sells below this area here, then to fill this range up. Speak louder. It's quite low. Okay, is the music loud? It looks pretty loud to me. What the fuck? I'll try and reduce that. I think my speaker's quite loud. People in the chat, is my mic alright? Or is he correct? Is my mic alright? Oh, look at this. We're gonna get the close. Okay. Now, if this doesn't have a top wick, sound is fine. Okay, good stuff. Lovely stuff. Okay. Yes! Get the wick up. Okay, it's just got its wick up here, but I'm going to wait a little bit further. Because if I got in here, where's my stop loss going to be? It's going to be all the way up here, so hell no. I'm going to wait a little bit longer here. Want to make sure that we are leaving this zone, so a little wick up will be fine. We've got 15 minutes in this candle. I kind of want it to wick up first, which is always my plan. Because this basically determines fake outs and all that stuff. It's too early on in the candle right now. So, but we've got the close below, so that's really good. So I'll be looking for sells right now. Gonna get my stuff ready. So the 30-minute hasn't closed below, which is the kind of determining factor. But as long as we make a top wick here, so this is the thing, right? I'm only gonna get in if we make a nice top wick up here, and then we start flipping. Later on in the candle. If we just drop here, it's risky because we don't know if there's going to be a fake out because the 30-minute hasn't closed either. But if we wait 15 minutes for it to pull up and then reject this zone, then I'll be more inclined. But if this just runs now, that's fine. I'd rather wait for the 30-minute to close. But it looks like it's going. So again, lovely stuff. Just got a wick up here. Need to be careful. But look at this volume, bro. This volume's good. Nice. There's a little support here, actually kind of level. But that's not too bad. Very early on in the candles, which you can see has been a trend 100% this past week. Very quick moves instantly, basically, which just isn't my style at all. But yeah, boys. But we've got the close below, so that is good. Made a little top wick, but it's flying. We still got lots of time though. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yep, so all time frames are bearish now, which is good. For the sells, so if you got in here, you'd be at 6 pip profit. So at this point, guys, if you are in this trade, if you just took the sell based on here and had a stop loss in this zone, I would be taking, I'd have my stops to break even at this point because we are touching this line here, so we are wick filling here. So 100%, I'd have my stops to break even. So at this point, my stops will probably be hit at break even here if I didn't take profits here. So I'll basically just save myself a trade. And this is why, you know, waiting for candles to close. Early candles in the morning can be a bit risky, so wait until the candles close. If this pushed later on in the thing, so maybe 10 minutes time, 8 minutes time, that'd have been so much better. Don't sell GJ now. Come on, guys, like the stream. Fine, FT or alright, okay. Oh my god, there's so many questions. Oh my god, sorry guys, there's a chart here I'm gonna be doing. Oh my god, there's so many people chatting. Welcome, welcome. Right, okay, I'll be doing a analysis here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this chart. Oh shit. Let's have a look on this chart. Lovely stuff. Oh fuck off, I do this all the time. There you go. Let's see, let's see. Okay, so we've got GA. This is pound Aussie dollar. Lovely stuff. It's on print some bearishes. This is the 30-minute time frame. We're getting some solid closes below. Nice, nice stuff. The next zone is here, so that is in 12 pips away. Your stop loss is about 10. It's not past the current. I'm assuming this is the current 15-minute high. But yeah, that looks alright. That looks pretty good. Solid things. You could have actually got in a bit earlier on, and the 50-minute maybe after passing these lows here, as this was a support. If you broke support, that could have been a nicer one. But yeah, if prices keep on holding this direction and we don't flip this candle, we should come back down to this zone here, and that would be nice. On the break of the low, nice, lovely stuff. That's a really good diagram. You keep it clean with your zones. Very, very good. Happy with that. Lovely. Look at that. Look at that support, bro. That's some mad support right in our support line. Right. I think we may retest 0.1600, so like there, and break above as the previous day closed very, very bullish. Yes, the daily did close very, very bullish. This is just this could be making the low wick. Another thing to think out is this daily candle closed above this resistance here. So definitely buys for the day are more valid. It's just at the moment we were breaking down there. And we could have got some nice 10 pips, but it didn't actually do it because we waited for candles to close. I only get into trades at like 7:45 if I'm really, really confident. And that one I wasn't really because of these lines here. There wasn't enough room. And this is good. So you just saved yourself a trade. Let's have a look here. Before NFP, market will be range like this only, so don't push your trades. Yeah, bro, especially for gold, so don't trade gold in here. 28 viewers, let's go, chat, let's go. Get them likes up, boy. All good, all good. Yeah, going to sell GJ if candle closed below. Okay. We'll see, chat. 30 minutes. 30 viewers, lovely stuff. People in the Zoom chat, did you get any trades yesterday? Did you catch those big moves like I couldn't because I was away? Where is the Zoom? Bruh. Oh, there, yes. Fire. So yeah, I'll do GU as well. I'll do GU for everyone in the squad. So do the exact same thing again. See if you guys have marked up the charts the same as me. So we're going to go to GBP USD. Oh shit, I've got a coffee here. Oh my god, the amount of times I forget my coffee. I'm going to have to whack that on the mic. Like, I'm not doing that again. The past 5 days on stream, I've been getting coffee. Bro, I just miss it. It gets cold. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's go again. I got some juice today. So daily's looking good. Okay, so daily is bearish at the moment. But at this flip, that could be quite a good opportunity for daily buys. 4 hour here. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is flipping here. So if people are new to these zones just mark up my higher time frames, meaning I don't have to look at them every 10 seconds. So then we go into the lower time frames here. So it's basically using all time frames, because if you use all time frames, you've got a big perspective of everything. Let's go further down. Let's see the supports here. Yeah, so I'd say there's a big support here. Oh shit! Oh god damn! That's nice. That's nice. That's nice volume. What time is it? We've got 8 minutes time. 8 minutes time. I'm looking for buys above this region, by the way, guys. Lovely. Let's put that down. So this is what I'll be looking for, guys. Lock that in there. So buys above 152.98. Wow. God damn, the GU volume there was huge. I was like, oh my god, I missed GJ again. I swear to God. Lovely stuff. So let's look at the 15. So this is the support. This has been the resistance right here. We have broken above resistance. We just need to close above, and then we should continue to the next zones. It is a bit choppy on the left here, though. I'm not gonna lie. There's been some lot of resistance spikes. Jesus Christ, that's awful. But if we do continue on, we can have a look, and this is the next kind of level here that we should get up to. But as you can see, GU here. Look at this difference, and then look over here to the good side. To be fair, even there. But that, even here, right? This is the same time frame as what we just looked at GU, but this is just a lot. I don't know, like has a lot more bigger wicks. Yes, we have this up and down. But like GU look like look at that. And this is because obviously the US dollar is affected as well with the news and stuff like that. So that's why you have two countries basically involving themselves in this kind of setup here, whereas this one only has GBP at the times I trade it. So it just makes it a lot easier. Where are the Zoom guys? The Zoom guys are chilling. To be fair, I'm going to be getting a lot more Zoom people in. I think I can actually put in like 10 or 15. So if you guys are interested in being Zoom, just message me. As long as you got good mics though, and like you're not in like a fucking loud household. My God, that's so annoying. So daily's flipped back again. The 4 hours flipped back again. We're actually really holding the support now, guys. So yeah, I'm just going to do a Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram as well, it's there. Stop Loss Matters. Make sure you come and follow it. Oh yeah! Wow, we got 27 views on a Friday. That's mad. Monday is only the biggest day, but 27 viewers. Jeez. Just do a thing here. We are live now. 28 viewers. Let's go. We're looking at GJ buys and sells. We're in a range at the moment, waiting for breaks above and below. But make sure you come join it. Link is in bio. Let's go. Get them likes up, squad. I don't want 15 likes. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Providing you with goods all day, man. This new monitor. This new monitor is fire, bro. It's just so clear and crisp. Oh, I played CS:GO on it as well. It's fire. If you guys have any questions or charts, feel free to ask them in the chat. I'll happily look at all of them. But yeah, we're just being patient here, waiting for the volume to kick in. So if we do get into buys here, at this point right here, I'll be taking some off, and definitely have my stops to break even at this point, probably at this little wick. 6 pips and profits. That's not too bad. But yeah, in 4 minutes time, this candle's going to close here. It's not giving as much direction right now. All it is that all we've known in the past 15 minutes is that price tried to exceed these lows here. There could have been some impulse buys, but it actually wouldn't have tapped it because we tapped this sort of wick here. We filled the wick to the left hand side. So it would have been a break-even trade for me. If I took that, there's no point. It's more safer to wait for the 30-minute, as you can see, and now we've seen that price has been really holding this resistance right here. And where are we going to go off? Well, we'll have to see, but it looks like the buys may come into place here.
Yo, Matt.
Yeah.
What's your opinion of like different time frame breaks of structure levels? So like, for example, yesterday, in the New York session, GJ broke on the 1 hour, but it didn't break on the 15 and 30.
Yeah.
So like, what's your opinion of that? Like, do you think it matters what time frame the break is?
I think the time frame that's important at that time for you is what your stop loss is going to be. So for example, if you're trading on the hourly, like the hourly setups look good and your stop loss is going to be behind the previous hourly, then look at the hourly. You know, if your setup is using the 15 and the 30 minute, use the 15 and 30 minutes. It always depends on the setup. So for example, Don, like, and some of the lads on Control FX and NY session, some of them will trade on the hourly candles and not even look at the 15 and 30. They may close half if one is exceeded or something like that, but mainly just keep them kind of distant, just to kind of know, oh right, okay, we're crossing an hourly here, so it's not looking as good, maybe take off half. Just kind of a bit of insight, but for the most part, just kind of stay on the time frame you entered on. That's kind of the rule. So if you entered on the 30 minute, try and keep it on the 30 minute, and just use maybe the 15 in the hour to kind of take risk off. Yeah. So you're just using a bit of both here. It kind of depends on the person really and the setup. There's so many different setups, but yeah, exactly. It's just kind of, and as you get used to those different setups and different time frames, you'll learn which ones you wanna look at. So for example, an hourly crossing the low of the previous hourly, I think that's what you meant. Is obviously quite a big oof. It's quite a ooh, this is bad. So yeah, I probably would be taking off positions there, even though I entered on the 30 in the hour, 30 in the 15 minute, just because we're breaking like support and stuff like that, or resistance, etc.
Sweet,
yeah.
Thanks.
How many pips do you try to achieve each trade, or does it vary? 10 pips, 10 pips. To be fair, recently, oh my god, recently I've been hitting like 9 pips and like 8.9 pips, and then it just stops me at break even, and it's so frustrating. But you have to just stick with it, man. Yeah, 10 pips, because basically what kind of like the whole ethos with 10 pips is that price normally moves about 10 pips before it rejects. So even if you got in, well, like just randomly, even if you got in like anywhere, like to this next zone here is 10 pips. It's just kind of a baseline to see like how much does price run when there's volume. Normally 10 pips. So you know, yeah, your runners can do your 20, 30, but make sure you catch the 10, because basically what was happening to people was, you know, they're trying to get these 30 pip moves and stuff, but what they kept on seeing is that it would go to 10 pips, 12 pips, 15 pips, and then just come to their break even, and they go, well, that was a waste of time. Like, why don't I just grab those profits and just do that every day? So that was kind of the ethos behind it. And then let a percentage run, and then the runner will get it. So it's kind of like, it's a really, really good way. This is the reason why I kind of grasp Raj's. It just made a lot more sense to do this instead of like swing trade and stuff, because I can be in and out very, very quickly, and I can get my 10 pips and I can be gone. As long as the volume's there, you're good. Right. Oh my god, no bottom wick, I swear, fucking god. But anyway, there's no trade here yet. I'm waiting for a close below here, or a close above here. So buys below here. I'm actually going to move this to more here, I'd say. I'll do sells below here. So this is good. Now this is one thing that people need to understand. This is a range, okay? A range can be the absolute blessing to people, and it can be horrendous, okay? A range can destroy your account in a day if you're pissed off with it, okay? So the one thing you need to do with a range, and this is a clear range. So a range is when price is just tapping resistance and tapping support and staying in the zone. As you can see, this is what we're doing here, okay? Now this is a very, very small range. It's not bad at all, okay? So if you look here, it's a 17, 18 pip range. So we're going to break it at some point. But when is it? We don't know. Now, there could be lots of times when price has been in ranges and it just runs out at one point. So it could just like print some candles here, and then come down here, and then it'll just go rumph, okay? And this is not the trade idea I want, okay? Because it's just volatile, it's poorly with news, etc. So what I'm waiting for is either a close above, so like here, a close above right here, because this confirms that we're breaking this zone here. 1 second. So a close above here, or a close below here, right here. And the reason why I wait for closes is because it gives you more of an indication of where we're going. If this candle closed here, that would have been an indication, but it didn't. If this candle closed, that would have been an indication. So waiting for candles to close in ranges is the only way you'll deal with ranges properly. So that's how you do it, yeah. What's up? The London stream on Zoom. We got 4 people in here. If you've got videos on, feel free to put them on. I can whack them on the screen if you want. 34 viewers. Let's get them likes up, boys. Let's get them likes up for a lovely Friday. Let's get them. I want 20 likes already. 20 bomb. 20 bomb. 8 o'clock will be fire, bro. Hey man, love from Indonesia. Wow. Can you explain how to draw zones perfectly, your version? I know it sounds simple, but it's not always above below candles, right? For example, on GJ, below 153, on M30 is looking nasty. So 153. Below 153. Below 153? Here? Yeah. That's my zone. I mean, 153, do you mean here? Like, kind of like this zone here? The reason why I do it here is because they're 30 minutes closures. So, like, these wicks here, I don't really care about because they wicked and then they closed. It's about closures. So, like, can you see the body of these candles didn't close above this zone here? The bodies didn't close. So, that's all I care about. You can see here, they tapped here. So, this actually kind of confirms that the resistance was here. So, basically, what I'm looking at here is these candles pushed all the way up. Didn't close. This candle closed, but like this is kind of the zone that they closed at. So this candle here closed, then this one closed right next to it, which is like quite abnormal. And then here, resistance came again, couldn't close. So this is the major line, and it also makes sense because it's 153. It's kind of the psychological line, so it's great. Yeah, boy. Right, and then yeah, just support. Just look at lines like that have closed at the thing. So the body's closed here. The wicks didn't. So this is going to be the support. There's also a little miniature support here, which is on the daily. But at the moment, I want to be safer and like have sells below here. So I'm looking for. But price at the moment is just ranging, so that's fine. I made it finally. Looking to sell GJ. Very, very nice. Okay. Just be careful because we are on 4-hour support right here. So just be careful. So you can see here. As long as we close below there, that's fine. But yeah, wait for momentum here. Be good. We'll be good. We'll be good. Let's have a look at the hourly. Yes, hourly's coming down. Nice, nice, nice. And this is a nice zone to get some trades in, which is fire. Yeah, 15, 16 pips. Nice. I'll be waiting in 10 minutes time to close because this is volume. Oh, we're flying. We're flying. Stop loss could be. Oof. Be whatever rough stop loss, to be honest. Let's wait for this 5 minutes to close right now. If this closes below support, it could be a good idea. Nope, still nothing for me. Especially how it wicked up before. Nothing here for me at all. David, is this Zoom kicking you guys out or not? That's all good.
No, sorry.
Don't worry.
I have like headphones in, and whenever I change the volume, it like kicks me out.
Oh shit.
So I'm just gonna take them off.
Wait 1 second. Mute. Wait, I'll see. I've disabled the waiting room, so you just whack it in now. It's fine.
Okay, sweet. Sorry about that.
Good. No. I was just confused. So you can see, guys, this is why impulses are very risky here. You need to be careful. This 5 minute closed on support, so. But to be honest, if this flips here, that could be quite a nice entry, to be honest. And you could actually use the 5 minute right here. 30 minute. So if this flips, this could be an idea, and have the stop loss above the 5 minute. But that would be quite a aggressive stop. And you can see here, these candles right here. So this is why, you know, waiting for closures and waiting for kind of big time frames to close is interesting, and you need to do it. Because look here. We close on this line, we close here on this line, and then look, it's reacting off it straight away. So even though it looked like a sell there, it might not be yet. If this candle does flip though, that could be quite good, especially if volume's going to push it. So 822, 786 is quite a nice stop as well, or 779. So it could be quite interesting actually. Let's have a look here. Look at the 5 minute. Oh, we're flipping. This could be quite a nice entry, to be honest. Yeah, I might go for it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So my stop loss is, oh my god, my stop is very, very tight here, guys. I'm going for a short. We're breaking these zones here. We're leaving this zone. We pushed up here. I have got a nice 3 pip stop or 4 pip stop. Happily taking this all day, every day. 30 minutes bearish, 50 minutes bearish. Even though it is slightly on support here, this 5 minutes should be running nicely. And I'll take a nice little stop loss there, 100%. Let's see where this can go, guys. At this point here, I'm going to be putting my stops to break even because we're at the candle wicks. Would you enter on the impulse candle? Yes, I did it on the flip here. Even though it's on the 5 minute candle here, we should start to continue here in 2 minutes time. Nice stuff. How am I going to manage risk? I can't really manage risk because my stop's so tight anyway, which I'm happily going to hold. But we should be good here now. I want to be filling this wick up right here. So I'm in
Here we go.
Here we go for this push. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, GJ. You get in, boy. Which magic keys do you have? The on-screen version, and it's very, very good. So I'm up about 2.6 pips here, guys. Nice, nice stuff. We're getting to the zone here, so I'm actually being very, very careful. If we do start coming back up to my entry, I might put my stop loss at break even right now. Yep, so even though I'm in 3 pips profit, which isn't too much, I kind of want to put my stops at break even just because we're at this zone and I want it to continue. So stop loss at break even right now, guys. Stop loss at break even. Just to tell you, even though my stop is quite, yeah, 3 pips away, 2 pips away, I'm alright with that because of the fact that we've just come back to this zone. I'm expecting price to push down now. Oh my god, Zoom, man, will you piss off? Bro, I'll buy it. Piss off, right? £11 a month. That's not too bad, to be fair. I swear I can get around this by being a past student. But anyway, guys, let's have a look here. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Give me some more pips, boy. We're going back to that zone, boy. So we were taking some profits off in a second. We're up like 6 pips. Lovely stuff, guys. You can see here. 4.9, not too bad, not too bad. Stop loss at break even, so not too bad. I'm expecting price to push, so I'm alright to hold it. If you get a break even here, that's fine. But we should be good here now, guys. With the volatile moves. That was a bit impulsively, but it was nice. So good trade, good trade, good trade, everyone. If you continue, that's good. If you don't, that's good as well. The 15 minutes going to close here. Let's have a look at TPs. Let's go for TPs here, boy. My TP's a bit lower. So we're coming down now, guys. Lovely, lovely stuff, man. Lovely, lovely stuff. Whee! Cheese! We got a W in the chat, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! We got a W in the chat. Why is it moved from here, bro? Bro. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. So I took some profits here. Lovely stuff. And yeah, great trade. I love that. Love that stuff. Love that. Love that, boy. We got my 10 pips there. Just about, I think. I got about 9 pips. Lovely stuff. And we should theoretically continue now. 4 minutes time. This 15-minute is going to be closing. Lovely, lovely stuff here, guys. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. Let's get a W in the chat. Let's get some W's in the chat. With the volume, bro. We got that. We got that. We got that stuff, boy. We got that stuff. Lovely stuff. And so now, 15 minutes is going to close in 3 minutes time. As long as we close above resistance, below support there, we should be good to continue to the next zone, which is down here. 624, which I'll be holding most of my thing on. Yeah, because that is the next support, as you can see. So that's where we should be going, guys. We can see in these lows again. And furthermore, if we do break here, we're going to be coming back down to this zone here. Keep them W's in. I'm going to do a thing. 1 second. We got the W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We took a GJ sell. We got a nice 5-minute impulsive. Oh, we flew, man. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Let's go. W's in the chat. Cheese. Lovely, lovely stuff. All runners gonna get stopped out, maybe. But lovely, lovely trade, guys. Very, very clean. 5 minute pushing solidly. Let's go. Let's go. Lovely, lovely trade, guys. Cracking stuff. And price should now start to fall. But don't know about the runners. The runners could get stopped out here, but lovely, lovely stuff. Get them likes up, boys. We just got a dub in the chat. Come on. 5 minute, made a top wick, flew down. This is what I like. Come on, let's get them likes up, boys. Let's get them likes up. Let's get them likes up. Lovely, lovely trades. Hourly's bearish. All time frames bearish now, guys. We're doing well. We're doing well. Just gonna finish in 2 minutes time. We should be running nicely now. My runner is still in this position right now. 2 minutes time. If this candle flips here, oh ho ho! This candle flips. Very, very nice. Very, very nice trade. Okay. Get them likes up. 16 likes for a dub, bro. I still haven't had a losing trade on this chart. Still not had a losing trade to this day. To this day, I still haven't had a losing trade, bro. Still haven't had a losing trade. So that was a volume, expected price. Been seeing the volume coming in every single day, and I executed on it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And now from here, it's pretty rare that price retraces and goes the other way once we've already had that impulse, right?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And especially now we're going to get the 15 close. That's what I expect to happen. So people could even enter on the 15 when it makes this top wick. But, yeah. That's what we're looking for, boys. So this needs to close in a minute's time. Lovely stuff. 17 likes, bro. 17 likes. Get them up. Get them up, boys. We need 20 likes. 25 likes, bro. This is going to close, and this should continue right now to TP1. Well, TP2, to be fair, because I got TP1. TP2 is 152610. Oh, too far. I didn't even save it, boys. I didn't even save the chat. Yeah. I'll do a little bit here. So we got a trade. Well done, guys. Congrats. We waited for that 5 minutes to make the top wick and then push down. Lovely stuff. And next zone is here. Lovely stuff, guys. Lovely stuff. You need a flip. Flip that 5 minute candle. Flip that 5 minute candle. So all time frames are bearish apart from this 5 minute, which will flip in a second, hopefully. But yeah, really, really good analysis here. And here we go. Go, GJ. Go, go, go. So 5 minute made a little bullish one. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. This one should continue here. Let's get it, chat. Let's get it, chat. Just making this top wick here. Hopefully your runners don't get stopped out in that time. But they might do. They might do. Which will be fine. Fine, fine, fine. But if this flips here, we'll be really, really solid. But it looks like we're going to be stopped out at break even for the runners. But we'll have to see here, guys. We'll have to see here. But this should be just the top wick. But it's just if your runner holds on, that's all. It's if your runner holds on, then it should be good. But because it's a runner, it doesn't really matter, does it? And that's all it is. That's all it is. So lovely, lovely stuff, guys. Get them likes up in the chat. Lovely stuff. If you got any charts and stuff, feel free to send them, guys. That was the first impulse of the week. And as you've seen, the impulse was happening because I only wanted to look at the impulse when we theoretically... I've got data now, and like today, the data was huge. Not the today, this week, the data has been massive for stuff like that. Wow, look at this volume coming in, bro. Looks like we're pushing up here, and we're up. Runner got stopped out there. Looks like we're coming back up. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. So this could be making the top wick. Got 30 minutes left. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. You can see this is a major support though. It just needs to relax a little bit. Oh yeah. That 5-minute volume here is coming. Boom. So you can see, yeah, it is a major support, but we need to just relax a bit more. And it should be good for continued sells. It's good to always pay yourself. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's open the calc again. Oh, maybe on this flip as well, bro. Oh, that'll be nice again. What position did I get in there? 784. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad at all. But we need to see here because look at price. We've got 12 minutes time, so let's have a look. Let's update this OBS, guys. Let's have a look. Trades called. Trades taken. Sells plus. I think I got a 9 pips. 9 pips. What were your majors? Wait, what were your majors in the degree? It was maths with finance. It's good to always pay yourself. Got the same trade as you. Looks like a break and retest. Yep, just making this little top wick here. This little top wick here. So it should be alright. It should be alright. Let's just get this off here. Oh, fuck off. Zoom, man. Get this off, right? Okay. I'm just taking off my magic keys because it's in the way. It's annoying me. It's annoying me. Right, lovely stuff. So let me just get a zoom back up again, boys, and then we'll be back again analyzing where we can go next. Lovely, lovely stuff. Host a meeting. Video on. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. So we've got that nice close below. We need to wait for this 10 minutes to close, and then we should be good for further. Join. 1 second, need to sort out this zoom. Because zoom's really good for analyzing the charts because it's got arrows, it's got really, really good stuff. 1 second here. So annoying though. Share screen. Screen number 1. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna get a thing here. 40 min max again. For fuck's sake. Alrighty ho. That's better now. Got to sort it again. Let's just do some things here. Right, that should be good now. Yeah, that's well annoying, this zoom. Only you can do it for 40 minutes. Like, bruh, what are you on about? Stop loss matters, making trading good again. Oh yes. If this candle flips here now, oof, this is gonna be nice, bro. I'm telling you, man. Oh my god. So this should be the top. So this theoretically now should be the top wick forming. So right here, this should be the top wick. And now price should flip here and then come down. That's what I expect to happen. This is what I expect, yes. Lovely, lovely stuff. Just needs a bit of momentum towards us at the end of this candle, which is in 9 minutes time. We should be okay, should be okay. I am taking the fact that, yeah, this 5 minutes are printing bearish, bullish here, but as long as this 15 flips here, we should be good for continued sells. Max, what are your thoughts on that range 1 and 2 breakout? Range 1 and 2 wait, what do you mean? Break and retest in the 4 hour. Wait, what did you say? What did you say? Max, what's your thoughts on that range 1 and 2 breakout? I have no idea. I don't know what range 1 and 2 is. Look at this 4 hour, bro. Look at this 4 hour, man. Don't you think it's a break and retest in the 4 hour? Break and retest. We've broken. And yeah, it might retest, but where? We don't know. We have to wait. It could be here. It could be here. We do not know. All I know is that we got a nice sell. Yeah, boy. And we should flip this candle now. So 7 minutes time, we should be flipping here. I'm not gonna lie. We should be flipping nicely. So if people are looking for sells still, I mean, yeah, with this candle flips here, 8 pip stop or something. That could be a nice option. Even these 5 minutes are just being a bit annoying. But that'll be the flip of the candles. That'll be fine. I'm not sure if you've heard Don speak about it. No, stage 1 and 2. No, I haven't. Do you trade with Fun and Tan? Not today, but most days, yeah. I kind of do it like in tandem, kind of just a day in, a day off on my own. Just, yeah, not too bad. Because you can do 3 days on that, so it's not too bad. Do 3 days on there. Oh, shit. Admit. The boys are back. Yeah, I don't know. It's Zoom 40 minutes, bro. Like, just ass. Range 1 and range 2 breakout is something control uses to prevent false breakouts. Ah, okay. Well, the reason I use false fake outs is basically waiting for this top wick. But obviously, we got the impulses here, so we were very lucky. But now, I wouldn't be in any sells right now until this candle flips, which basically defies the thing of fake out. Unless this flips at the start of the candle straight away, then I'll be waiting for a bit more. Someone said, "Come on, GJ." Yeah, GJ, come on, bro. Everyone's wanting their pips, man. Everyone's wanting their pips, bro. Come on, GJ. You know what to do. You need to flip this candle. Lovely stuff. Let's see where GU went. GU sells play out. Oh my god. Look at that. So, GU, kind of same thing. We close below here. As long as this candle flips here, oof, we're going to be flying. And I'll probably go down back to this zone here. But it's really holding this level here now. We need to start getting some volume to push this down right now. 100%. 40 views in the chat. Let's get them likes up. Where you sold is considered a range 1. I think Don would have been in this if you waited for this close. Don will be in this trade if this flipped here. I just got the impulse because I know 8 o'clock is very impulsive. And yeah, boys. So for continued sells, yeah, the main TP is down here. That'll be like TP3. This would be TP2, and TP1 was there. For sure. So now, I mean, if people are in a trade, I'd have your stop loss. If you're still in the hole in this trade for some stupid reason, I'd have your stop loss like here because it shouldn't really exceed the high of this candle now. In the last 15 minutes, it should start melting, really, because if you think this has got 5 minutes left to close, you know, it needs to start pushing hard now because if it closes like this, then this could be quite a kind of thing for kind of a fake out because you're going to be closing back in the range. So it needs to start getting some volume in, boy. This 30 minutes could be closing like this though. As long as it closes below support, that is fine. But if this doesn't close support under support here, there's no sells. Okay, very important about that. Okay, very solid levels here. So this is why the impulsive with the volume is fine, but if you were any later, oof. You need to wait. See, we're pushing back up. It's going to be closing in 4 minutes time. Back in the range, bro. Oof. Back in the range. See here. We are going back in the range. Which is not good at all for the sells because we are still closing above support. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, boys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Do. Yep, so see we're coming back in the range now. So that trade idea is gone because it's going to be closing back in the range. And yeah. Wow, look at that move, bro. It's just moved up 5 pips. Look at that. Whoa. Flown. flown. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Back into the zone. So we're going to be here for a while, I think, which is unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. But what can you do, eh? So it looks like we're really, really holding this level. So what we need to wait for is buys above our zone we've been marking, which is above here. Yeah, we just have to wait for that. So 980 is what we'd be looking for right here. So that's in like 14 pips away, 15 pips away. So yeah, let's be 30 minutes time. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this wickage, boy. Look at that wickage. Just thought you were trading with a problem because of your IG story. Said demo, no hate. Yeah. So fun and talent is for 3 days, and then normal account is for 2. So I have a bit of both. Because I like growing my normal one as well. But I just basically put the money in from fun and talent into the big one. Look at that wick up, boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. I didn't mean to do that. Where's open calc? There we go. I like getting it set up for this. Get me set up, boy. Wow, look at that. That volume though is mad. Like, jeez. Get off, right? Okay, I've just taken off my magic keys. Get it off. It's annoying me now. Is that the sound of the full margin? Full margin! Full margin it, bro. It's a sign of taking off my magic keys because it's annoying me. How long have you been trading for? Probably like 5 years. 5 years. Since I was 16, so yeah. 5 years, boy. 5 years. Which is a pretty long time if you ask me. Doing the same here. Trading folks, the real broker is better. Am I with taxes? Yeah. Is that sound full mind? Makes sense for an account disabled gold for now. Really? Did they? Nah, I can still. Oh yeah. Shit. 35 viewers. Welcome everyone who is ever new to this chat. We took some GJ sells. We got a nice 10 pips. Amazing stuff. And now this candle is going to close in 20 seconds time. Back in the cell. In the zone. So we'll be staying in this zone again. In 10 seconds time, as long as we close in this zone, we'll be back in this zone, just chilling. And we'll be waiting for breaks above this zone, really. This will give us a lot of better, a better kind of risk to reward as well for how big these zones are going to be. I mean, as long as you break past this zone here and this zone here, we're going to be flying. So that'll be really solid. FIB levels work on GJ and trend, no cap. Yeah, they might do, but I just don't need FIB. Don't need them. Don't need them. If you got any charts, guys, yes, feel free to send them. We're all here, ready to analyze them. Analyze them. It's 8:30. 8:30. Jeez. Not too bad. I'm sipping on water. I'm sipping on coffee. Getting me up in the morning, man. So yeah, now this is exactly what I think with GJ now. We've closed back in the range here. This is a very solid level. As long as we don't exceed these lows here, we should be good to stay in this range again. And then what we need is a break up or down from this range. But we could be ranging in here all day. You don't know. That's why you need to wait for the close above. If closing back in the range plus the previous daily close makes more sense for us to move bullish for NY. Yes. It's a really solid support, clearly. And you can see here, so the daily is going to flip for our needs to close on this support right here. And then start running off. But yeah, And this will probably happen in NY session 100% with all the news and stuff. It might range before then, but we'll have to see. Maybe now if you get a closure above here, this will be nice. 100% if you get a closure there, whoa, it'll be nice. Yeah, but I see a lot of using a fib when price is raining. It'll never work with the way like that. Yeah, if fibs were amazing, everyone would be using them and everyone will be wealthy. So yeah, I think you just take it with a pinch of salt, really. Bow, bow, bow. Take it with a pinch of salt. I'm liking these wicks here though for continued buys because it is really holding this level here, which is solid. Solid level. So actually the sells before. So as I said here, I was like, if this candle flips, we're good, and it didn't flip, so therefore there was no trade. So that's why, you know, fake outs, which is a fake out here. I didn't get hurt on these fake outs, or I never will get faked out, because either I got in with it with the momentum here, so I was fine, or you know, this candle pushed back up here, and I was waiting for it to flip, so it was making this top wick, and if it never flipped, then there's no trade for me. Why do you take the sells before closing? Because we've got a 5-minute close, and I said if we flip, we're leaving the zone, and with 8 o'clock momentum, I was happy to take that, because the past couple of days, there's been some good 8 o'clock momentum, so yeah, boy. Check this chart. Check this chart. 24 likes in the chat. Lovely stuff. Let's get to 30 now. 30 is nearly there. But yeah, I think if volume comes in here, we should be good to start pushing. And we've got some big zones to fill for the 4 hour to finish off the weekly nicely. So weekly, yeah, weekly to tap this level here, 50 pips away. That would be solid. That would be solid. Everything is kind of ranging before NFP. Yeah, man, especially gold. But yeah, here ranging as well. Very true. It's just ranging, man. Just fucking ranging. Everything's ranging. Yeah. It's a shame that those sells didn't continue though, because they were looking pretty promising. To be fair, I was happily holding them runners on. But it did tap that little level here, and I was like, oof, could reject here. But it was good that we just got the 9-10 pips, which is fabulous. Yeah, we just need to chill for the day. We need to wait for these breaks above. So if people are interested, normally you can have an alert. So you could have an alert on here. 980 like here, so it'll set an alert when you start crossing here, which will be quite interesting. That's another thing to do. If you guys have any questions about psychology or how you got into trading, feel free to ask. If you guys are needing some brokers in the UK or like Pakistan or Europe, IC Markets is your boy. It's in the link in my YouTube channel. And yeah, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, make sure you do so. I'll be posting quite a lot on there. But this solid 15-minute close is holding it nicely. Yeah, boy. I just need the volume in now. It's starting to slow down, man. We need some volume here. Let's have a look at news, if there's anything news coming back up. Let's have a look here. GBP, someone talks. Ah, yes. Member Broadbent speaks. What's he going to be speaking about? Hey, what's he going to be speaking about? Why can't I go on this, bro? Let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. Bank of England. Blah, 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 blah. Let's have a look here. Deputy Governor event. More hawkish than expected. Hawkish. That's a funny word. More hawkish than expected. Fair. How do you turn these noises off? Because they're so annoying. Like, I try and turn it off. So like here, look, it'll make a noise here. It's just fucking annoying. Like here, close, like there. It's just like on off on off. It's like, oh bro, it's so loud. Hits my eardrums, bruh. So if you look at GJ, yeah, so now you don't know now, like there's no trades because yes, the 30-minute closed bearish below kind of the daily level here, but the 50-minute here closed bullish in. So it's just very, very choppy at the moment, very, very choppy, which is unfortunate. Do 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 do. And yeah, we're just still waiting patiently for some more moves. But that nice 10-pip move set me up nicely for the week. I think up like 5-6%. Psychology is such a long, lonely walk, but we crush it. Yes, very, very true. The painless hours of psychology. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I need to watch that BBC thing. What was that BBC thing people have been telling me to watch? Let's have a look. BBC Traders. Insta Traders here. Slick Instagram accounts and YouTube channels point to foreign exchange trading as a route to extra cash. What's the reality? FTMO. Ah, it looks at FTMO. Wowza. I look at that. That's cool. Cool, wicked. Yeah, so you can see price is very, very... It's just ranging completely in the zone here. So we need to wait for breaks out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We've got 33 viewers in the chat. Lovely stuff, man. If you guys haven't given it a like already, feel free to do so. So, I'll give you an example of how you can kind of trade NFP. Let's just get rid of this. So, NFP will be looking for movements like this. So, we look for the news. We'll go, right, what's expected? Kind of the same. A bit less unemployment, which is good. A bit more change. It's meant to be quite good. So in this case, if price is meant to be quite good, then gold will be quite bearish. So what you'd probably do in this fact, if this was NFP right now, you'd probably, for me, go down the lower time frames. Yeah, I'd probably have a sell stop below this region here and a buy stop probably above here, with like 20 pip stops or 15 pip stops each, and then just hope. That documentary made Sam KB trading look like a scam, lol. Oh shit, really? Oh god, Sam. I think I know that kid. Yeah. Is it because he did like £100 account and then used the money to do FTMO and then failed it? I think that was it. Interest traders, mate, lol. Was a good watch. Basically shows the idiots of Insta showing off their Lambos instead of their trading. Well, yeah, but the thing is, they make more money than people who just show value, really. So it sure did. He's from my way after watching that. Wouldn't touch him. God, that's bad. That. Oh God. Yeah, if they're going for your courses and your money, bro, they'll probably make more money off that, to be honest, which is a shame. This is why I like people like Ted of the Goats, because he didn't ask for shit. He just kind of helps, just for no reason, because he's our boy. 26 likes in the chat. Sheesh. But yeah, nothing really going on from that. But we got our 10-pip move, so that's all we care. What's all we care about? Well, just about 10 pips. How much did I actually get here? Have a look. Yeah, I think I got 9 because I got in just before. Lovely stuff. 9 pips. That's not too bad. You felt bad for him. Did they actually like interview him and shit? That's bad. That's hella bad. Hella bad. Let's see where. Oh. Let's see where GU is at. Oh my god. GU is a bit volatile. God damn. So it's 8 o'clock. It's moved. 22 pips. Not too bad. It just looks more. Oh, because these are half lots, aren't they? So if like. So like from 3 to 2 is like 3 days ago, 3 days ago. They're getting some good things. Are there any bad ones? Can't see anything. Oh, fuck off with these stupid trading adverts. Look, and it's just all this kind of stuff. Oh, God. Oh, God, so he got done dirty. Oh, God. There were a few. I don't understand how people have trading desks and rent them out to traders. I mean, come on. I make money from GJ in my house with the rubbish PC. What do you mean? Like, people, like, to come to their, like, trading floor? Is that what you mean? Their trading floors and stuff. Bro, it's just to try and make you feel cool and like it's just all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I trade GJ in my house. Facts, boy. 28 likes in the chat. Woo! Jeez, we beat yesterday's. We got 50 on Monday. It was fire. So like people are saying here, look, this is. Someone in the chat gonna say this. I think some people like this stuff. Where is it? Let's try and find this fucking thing. 1 second. Here we go. Oh shit, missed it. Here. Ah yes. Look, this is the beloved flag pattern. Okay, so this is the flag pattern, and then what everyone says is, wait, how the fuck does this work? Then wait until it breaks out. Look, we've broken out, so it should be sells. There you go. When if you just took that away and just go, right, we're breaking below support, we're going for sells, or we're breaking highs, we're going for buys. You don't need some fucking stupid triangle thing. Like more like this, innit? Flag pattern, yes, flag pattern. Lovely, lovely stuff. But each to their own. If it works, fair enough. Ooh, so that level here, bro. I should have done that. That's me gone bad. So actually, this is kind of the next support. So this is why we took it. Well, we could have taken off straight away there, like, bro. That was the next zone. Beautiful. Tapped it. Literally tapped it. Right there. Then it was like, nope. 40 viewers in the chat. Jeez, we just came up. I don't understand how people who trade this. Sam KB Trading bought a few PCs, few tables, and charged traders for using them. Around 1k among. Shock how people making trading complicated. It's just people will pay because they can say to their family, oh yeah, I'm looking at a prop firm now, you know, it's good, but actually all you're doing is paying them. Like, I don't know, I stay on my own stuff, like just do what makes you happy. But I know if my morals were a bit more cunty, I think I'd be able to milk a shitload of money, but it's just no point. I know a lot of people quite close to me who have done that and they've made lots of money, but I'm just not like that. I'd rather build a free thing on YouTube and stuff, where YouTube can pay me eventually when people like really like my stream and stuff, than like trying to flog stuff. I just don't think it's fair. Because all it would really do, I mean, I'm lucky to have my dad's into cars. We've got a couple of Lambos and Ferraris just fucking about. I could easily like milk it for that. I could do loads of videos like, oh, look at my Ferraris, look at my Lambo, look at my Tesla. But like, it's just stupid. Like, sometimes I show it on Instagram because it's just interesting for cars and shit. But I would never like, oh, look at this. This is how I afforded it. Like, it's just. But I could easily do it. It's just stupid. Because I got caught in it when I was younger. When I was like 16, I was like, oh yeah, this guy's really good. Sign up to him. All he wanted was my $350 deposit thing for BD Swiss, and then I was goosed. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame. And as I said before, just do the maths on how much money they make on how much and stuff. Like, it's just a lot of money going in, and how many traders really are profitable? Not many. 80%. And that's generally the only people that are 80%. I think IC markets. Let's have a look at IC markets. I think IC markets at the moment is 67%. Was it? It's normally here somewhere. The fuck is it? I can't see anything there. What the hell is it? Legal documents, maybe here. Or maybe it's just right at the top. It has it somewhere, I just don't know where it is, but I'm pretty sure it said like 67% lose money, which to be honest is not actually as bad. Some of them are 80 because that's the, when you look at a broker, look at how many people lose and how many people win on average, because normally there's a good array of people, and if it's 80%, maybe their spreads are quite high, maybe they take a lot off from you, etc, etc. This one had the lowest for me, so that's why I was on it. But yeah, IC Markets is fire, bro. It's got like 1 trillion worth of equity in it. There's so many people on it. It's fire. And login's really good. And it's just really good. There we go. Still in this range. Still in this range. Looks like GJ's come back down now. He's coming back down now. So 50-minute. So if this 10-minute closes again here, could be nice. Could be nice. Hourly's bearish. It's going to close in 10 minutes time. Nice, nice, nice. So the 30 minutes just flipping now, which is nice. You could have stop loss above there. Let's see how much that would be on Magic Keys. That it's going to make a stupid noise. Sorry, guys. So that would be. How much would that be for your stop? Not that bad, like 850. Not bad at all. But the thing is, it is on support right here, so not that bad at all. 28 likes. I want to see what it's before I follow. I can't find. Wait, what's this, bro? You should do a day in the life vid. Yeah, that's fire. I'd love to do that. Actually, I'm gonna film that, like a morning thing, bro. Do you? CoffeeZilla, who is a scammer detector. What the hell is CoffeeZilla? 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 Leaderboard 10. Oh yeah, 100%. I heard he has an AF. What's that? I can't find it. I was on here. The meeting will end in 10 minutes. Fuck off, Zoom. I was on there and also was logged in on my MT4, so when we placed a trade I would see it. Then one day he took a trade and it was a big loss, and with a couple of mins the loss was gone from my account. Yeah, day in the life. Yeah, but the thing is, mine's boring, bro. Like mine's pretty boring. Wake up, do this, go and vibe, play in CS:GO for a bit. Maybe go and like walk the dogs or some shit. I don't know. Then go back, do another trade, do another edit. I'll do like the in-depth thing. I'll try and film it quite nice as well. Thing is though, that's the day in the life when you've got like a nice car, and it's like, bro, I could easily get a nice, you know, BM or a nice Merc or a nice car in general, but that would be if I'm asking for signals, if I'm asking for so much money everywhere. Like, it's just no point. No point, man. No point. So 9 o'clock, we're going to be closing here. Look at this wicks, man. But it's actually struggling to either break above or below at this range here. Yeah, day in the life videos do pop off, to be fair. It's a good thing. Are you saying they reverse the losses from your account? They can do that. Real trader's life. None of these idiots say they read 5 books a day, 3 sessions of yoga, and a swim. Yeah, bro. I just wake up, do my trading, probably beat my meat, and then I don't know, just fuck about for a bit and eat. I might do like a fake one. I might do that actually. I might do like a fake of what I do in the morning, and then a real one. That'd be good for like TikTok actually. It'd be like, oh yes, I wake up at 3 AM and go for a nice 10-mile run. It's like, bro, I've watched Star Wars buddy, what's it called? Conspiracy theories at like 12 o'clock at night. Go to bed, wake up. Bruh, YouTube, I'm such a fat nerd. Like, I watch Lord of the Rings all the time. I love Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter as well. Oh, bro, it's fire. It's fire. Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings is too fire, bro. Too fire, too fire. Right, we're coming up, So it's gonna close in 5 minutes time. 45 seconds, lovely stuff. Back in the range here. So we should theoretically fill up this range now. Which is in 12 pips time. Nice. So, you know, being careful with all these wicks and stuff. I watch it for my eyes. So we're coming back up now. We are flipping the 4 hour right now. So look at this. We're going to be about to flip the 4 hour. We haven't exceeded the high of the previous 4 hour yet, so that'll be something we need to do. But later on, I think buys will be coming quite nicely. But yeah, just wait for the close above here. You'll be good. Which should be good. So if people don't know what close above is, they're kind of like this. Like I'll show you guys. We're coming up. We're coming up. Right here, close above, wait for the bottom wick, and then when we exceed, and that'll be the trade candle. And this will probably be at NY session. That'll be NY session. That's what we'll be looking. But look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this price action, bro. So you can tell we are in a solid range here. Doesn't really know when to break out or not to break out. Oh my god, look at this volume, bro. Okay, GJ. Okay, GJ. So now we tap the 4 hour again, and now we're back down, bro. Look at that. That is mad. That is a mad thing. Right, I'll get that on before I start making another trade again. Get the magic keys off. So now you can see we're starting to push. If we start seeing these lows here, oh bro, we'll be good. We'll be good. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. We've got a nice range to fall down here, all the way down back to here. That would be fire, to be honest. That's what I'll be looking for. Look at the 15-minute here, looking good, looking good. 3 minutes time. Looks like a lot of volume's coming in, bro. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. Look at this volume, boy. So this is going to close in 3 minute time. 3 minutes. Oh, God. 3 minutes time for the Friday sessions. But yeah, you can see on the 30-minute here, we are printing bearish here. It's just really struggling to break this zone. But when we stop giving it a good force, it could happen later on, but it could happen now. We should pass these zones here and should be getting down to these zones. But you can see that there's a level at 6.9, which we've marked up, which has been a support before. But apart from that, it should start to fly down really. 4 hour hourly all bearish. This is going to close in 2 minutes time. Maybe he's hedging some up, and I don't know. Ted doesn't hedge, bro. Ted showed me his whole MetaTrader, to be fair, on Zoom, and I went through his trades with him. But each to their own. I don't know why he would lie. Why would he lie? He barely goes on Instagram. I just don't know what insight. If fair enough, if you're selling like a course or something, then lie. But he's not doing that. So why would he lie? I just don't get it. Why would he lie, boy? Why would he lie? You tell me, why would he lie? Same here. I have 70 picks reports and will leak soon. He is literally manipulating trades. Oh wow, we got some Ted haters here, bro. Ted haters. We hate Ted. I'm joking. I fucking love Ted. I'm sorry. He's the best trader ever. He's fire, bro. Fireball. It's just looking good now. 4 hour coming to the support, which is nice. Just get a close here. a minute's time. We're looking good. We're looking good. Very, very solid actually. Very, very solid for continued. As long as it closes below here, should be okay for subsells. It's just holding the support really, really well, which is mad to be honest. It is pretty mad. It is pretty mad. Hello, Dolly. I'll let you out, darling. There you go. But really, really good week to the stream here again, guys. It was solid trades. A lot of impulses this week, but you know, just stick with your rules and stuff, and you won't get slapped in the ass, basically. Don't get slapped in the ass. Don't get slapped in the ass, and you should be fine, really. But like the see as today, I was happy to take an impulse because I've seen so many London trades do impulses. I was like, you know what, fine. I'm actually thinking I can do this now. And that's what happened, you know. So we got a nice hourly 30-minute close, hourly close. Hasn't made a top wick yet. Should make a top wick soon. 4 hours, still got a lot of time, but it could run quite nicely here actually. Lovely stuff. So we've actually got the 15-minute close now. This is looking good, but it just needs to make a top wick first. You see the 15 minutes, it didn't really close below here, but it did. Oh, look at this. Oh. So because I've taken one trade, I won't take any more. That's one for the session, really. Quite like having. What are these things? Would you consider a sell again in this case? Yeah, if I haven't taken one already, but I need this top wick really. And we are coming to this kind of support, so maybe sells below here would be better. I'd wait for sells because look at this. If you look left here, guys, we've got some support here, which is very, very cautious. But I mean, in general, look at these 30 minutes, bro. Like, looking fire. Zoom is off again. Yeah, I definitely saw fucking zoom, bro. It's annoying me as hell. It's annoying as hell. So we really need to do past this level here. It's 700. So if you look on the 5-minute time frame on the stuff, we need to pass this zone, which would be nice. But then if you start going here, bro. Oh, so if I pass the lows of the previous now already, these should start running nicely. It's just this zone right here is unfortunate. But with a bit of volume, come on, get past 700. Come on, you know you can do it. You know you can do it. You know you can do it. Come on, get past this 700, boy. Let's look at the 5-minute. 5-minute hasn't closed yet. It hasn't made a top wick, so yeah, very unlikely at the moment. But I mean, with volume, bro, volume. We know what can happen with volume, guys. We know what can happen with volume. Volume is a blessing. Volume is a blessing. Volume is a blessing. Oh, bro, I'm getting intrigued with this now. If this breaks, thing is, you haven't got a top wick on the 30 though, which is rather not appealing. Okay, but we're dropping now. Let's have a look and see if we can get it. Where would my stops be? Nah, yeah, see. So for me, guys, the reason why I would not want to go in this trade is because of the fact that, you know, we have literally, we haven't made a top wick on the hourly and the 30-minute and the 50-minute, okay? So that's why my bias is kind of I don't really want to be in this trade because we haven't made a top wick yet. But when that top wick is made, oof, this could be quite nice. This could be quite nice. For continued sells. And I mean, here would be a nice level, so 3.6, that would be nice. And further down, to be honest, yeah, this would be a nice level. And let's see the weekly here. The weekly is bullish though, so you need to take that in mind here. The weekly's been actually rough actually. This daily has closed above. So still long term, I still think the buys are going to be in play, but you're going to have to wait for a different set of time for that. For sure, for sure. We've got a 5-minute close below yet? Nope, we haven't. I actually want to join, but I just changed my mind. Right. Well, let's read some of this chat. I like Ted, that's why I put my money in, but this happened. How would you consider a sell again in this case? Yeah, so I'd consider the sell again once the top wick has been made here. If I wasn't already in trade, but I've already had my trade kind of now, so I'm alright. And actually, to be honest, this it's better for a close below here. I think that'll be for more continued sells. Because if you look left, we've got zones here which we want to break. So we need to be careful here. Let's have a look at the 30 and the hourly. Oh, look at that. Lovely stuff. So we are coming towards this resistance here though, so it needs... We've got a volume though, so as long as volume continues here, we should be good. To keep on running. To keep on running. It's looking like it's going for the descent though, which is rather splendid. Lovely stuff. Like 29 likes in the chat. Let's have a look. Reversing a big loss sounds like a beneficial event to clients. Have you experienced reversal profits of... No, it was just the last after it took me 20% down after already being 20% down. Here's Grant. So you're talking about an account that allows you to copy his trades. Great stream. Great stream. I was looking for sells. Missed it. Always another day. Cheers. No bother, no bother. Yes, the sells will always come. They will always come. Eventually. Just have to wait patiently. I'm trying to see how you'd even do it, but like when I'm looking here, the stops are gonna be too big, bro. Right. There is support on the 1 hour. There's support here, 4 hour. Okay. Will this work? Do I need to do an X at the start? 1 second. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Like this, would this work? Okay, so we've got 30-minute time frame. There is support. Yes, exactly. A very big support. So what you might actually see is, you know, as long as you don't close below here. If we close below here, then sells are very valid and you can come down here. But what you need to do is wait for this candle to close, because theoretically this can be a huge support and just making a bottom thing. So if you look here, let's look at the 30-minute. Obviously this depends on this candle right now, but what you can see is price coming up, and then price coming down, and then price going up. So this could be tapping the support here, but it really depends on this candle closure, especially the hourly, to give us more an indication of where we are going. And remember, a lot of it might start to range for the rest of the day until gold comes out, and you can see here. Let's have a look at Goldilocks. Goldilocks is in a clear range. You have to wait for the news to come out for this. Check on his PAM account. My account. Great to see you looking. Check your investment. I expect GJ to 154.4 sometime next week. Wow, 154.4. Where is this? 154.4. Yep, so that's the top resistance right here. So if you do a line here, well, if we break above here and get a close above this region, then yeah, sure, in the next 3 days, 100%. But it depends on today. Today, as you can see with this chart here, I know it's quite choppy because I've wrote a lot, but this could be making the lower wick to then start to continue. And buys above this region here are going to be fire. But that will probably come with momentum at, you know, 12:30 when the news comes. That's fine. And that is completely fine. Do 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 do. Yeah, lovely stuff in this stream. Lovely stuff. 29 likes in the chat. What is the spread on GG on IC markets? 1 pip. 1 single pip. Can you actually see it here? Let's have a look. What spreads? Shift and show you here. Can you not show me the spreads? I don't know, but anyway, I'll try and see if I can get it here. No, none yet. But yeah, very, very tight. If you want to use IC Markets, use my link. It's in Instagram. It's in YouTube. It's the best broker by far. I get withdrawals from them nearly every single day because I just take out a little bit every single day, and literally comes in my PayPal, and then literally within like 4 or 5 hours. I see. You are with FT. I am with FT, and if you want to go with FT, my link is there as well. But this is no, I'm with IC Markets and FT. I've got both. And I actually link one with the other most times, which is pretty good. No, I'll withdraw it, then link the data. Ves pussy. Any recommendations for us clients? For us clients? Are you guys still talking about Ted? Fuck Ted, fuck. 70% drawdown. Oh! 70. You should never be 70%. That's because you're at 1 to 500 leverage. Leverage should only be 1 to 100. Can you withdraw via PayPal using IC Markets? Yes, you can. And it is fast as fuck, boy. I'll show you some now. I'll have some little ones right here. I'll show you PayPal's. So this is like commissions and stuff from the past couple of days. Yeah, so one I did last night. Here's wait. One I just took out last night with some commission. I'll show you here. £11 to PayPal. This is PayPal. Nice. So yeah, really good. Risk 112 is 70% too. 30 likes in the chat, man. 37 overall. We're crushing it. But yeah, if you guys are new to the stream, feel sure to give a like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to get the notifications when I'm on, which will be every morning, 7:30 till 9:30. If you look at the 30-minute and the 50-minute here, oof, we get a close below. It could be nice. But I'm also very, very, very wary of this hourly support, and a very, very solid hourly support, in fact. So you need to be very wary about that. The hourly supports can be quite rugged. So what I mean by is here, what is going to happen here? Question mark. All around this zone here. There was resistance here, there was support here. So you need to be very, very, very careful. Okay. Do you have rubbers in here? I wish you could have a fucking rubber. There must be a rubber somewhere. Oh, you have to click on every single one. Bruh. But yeah, 36 in the stream, man. We got a nice 10 pips. If you guys have just came, we got a nice 10 pips on GJ. And now we are looking for where price may end up. And you can see here, as we expected, we are holding this level here. So if you go back down to the 30, you go back down to the 15. We're looking here. Look, it's going to be making its top wick, which we said, you know, don't get into trades if it hasn't made its top wick, because it's just risky, because most chances it's going to make a top wick, which we'll probably see in a couple of minutes now. But yeah, you can see we are tapping this zone right here, and we need to be careful and see where price goes from then. Just trade your funds, bro. All these scammers will burn you. Where can I contact you? If I show photos here, I'm not here to send hate, but it's manipulated. I think you meant USA clients. Yeah, USA clients can use crypto on like Trader's Domain and Hugo's Way, and I think Rajas as well. What's Rajas called? Dominion Market, that's it. There we go. We made the top wick, which I said was going to happen. You look at the 5 minutes, we racked in on the support again. And we'll be starting to come back up again. Very, 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 very solid support here. So you need to be careful when you're thinking about stuff like this. I have an alert, guys, above here when we stop approaching this level, because this is where I'm interested for buys. And this can flip the daily very nicely, and we've closed above, so we should theoretically fill these wicks up here, at least to this zone. So that is, if you get in here, 50 pips. So 50 pips in sight, right there. Very, very nice. Oh, USA clients is unavailable for Dominion market. That's a shame. That's a shame. That is a shame. Wow, we got so many viewers, man. This is literally just the first like week and a half of trading, bro. I still haven't had a loss yet. I still haven't had to write a minus on here yet. Very, very picky with my trades, but this one I was very, very happy to be in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I want my camera more there. I look better at this angle. How the fuck do I do that? 1 second. How about that? Oh, fuck off. Why is the wire? It's because this screen's so big. Oh my god, why is it wonky, bro? This wire's annoying me. No! Get over here. Right here. I have my PC in the background though. Gives it like a bit of flair. Are you a PC gamer, bro? Are you a PC gamer? Oh, bro, I would like to play CS. Does anyone here play CS? Anyone else play CS, please? Because I'm bashing it right now. Fuck yeah. I'm going to CS after this. Like, jeez. GU also push bearish on new hour, then retrace to make the top wick. Yeah, see? You wait for the top wicks. Even though certain days today haven't had no top wick, like here. No bottom wick, sorry. Where was the one before? There was one before here, which I wanted to get in 8 o'clock. Couldn't get that because there's no top wick. But today I was happy to do an impulsive 5-minute one. Let's play some CSGO. Fuck yeah, right. Add me on Steam. My name is this. Dude. Also took me a month to get my money out. Oof, mate. IC markets. A day. A day. Even to my bank account as well. Day. It's fire. But yeah, guys, if you've looked at all my links, yeah, they're all there for IC markets and stuff. Feel free to have a look at them. And funded talent if people want funded talent. But what I say for funded talent is, guys, do not be rushing in. If you don't get the rules, if you don't get it, don't rush in. You need to know the rules. You need to know that you're consistent for the past like 3 months, and then you'll be grand. No point rushing in it. It's just if you have low equity because of reasons. No, you cannot deposit with crypto on IC, unfortunately. Just money. Just real money. Actually, speaking about crypto, let's have a look at the market. I haven't even looked. Yeah, my coffee's stone cold. Great. XRP and feed change starting to look alright. Bro, I just got into like crypto like maybe like 3-4 months ago. Oh my god, I bought at the peak, bro. Like 2 days later, worst crypto tank. I was like, are you joking me? I literally like, put in like a fucking rack and I literally lost like, I'd say 80% of it. KD, send me your IG. Can you look at your platform and tell me the spread for GJ? Sure thing, I'll do that now. 1 second. I can actually do it on my phone because it's easier. I can't be asked to load it up. Right, let's have a look. So, can I show you here? Yeah, I'll try and screenshot it. So I just screenshotted it here, guys. This is the raw spread account though. So I've just screenshotted it. So the red line is the line you'd be paying for, and the wait, where's the fucking thing? You couldn't be able to see where the fuck. Wait, you won't be able to see this, will you? 1 second. No, so basically, I'll write it in the chat just to make it easier. So, if you were going for a trade, a sell here, we'd be paying this price, and the actual is so less than a pip. In fact, it is 0.7 pips. So there you go. 0.7 pips on IC markets. Lovely stuff. Right, so the 15 minutes closed bullish back and holding that support right there. And 30 minutes. Have a look at 30 minute here. Yeah, so 30 minute closes back above here. As I said again, we are holding support. Okay, we are holding this support right now. And this is just, I mean, people who are swinging will be in trades at here. I'm pretty sure. Stop loss would be like down here, because yeah, that could be quite a decent move. especially when we flip again. So just wait until these flips, wait until we exceed this high again, and we should be good. We should be good. Is your Steam pick a race car? No, it's... Oh, that could be my dad. Because my dad's in a race car. My Steam pick is Venom. I like Venom. Wait, I'll show you it. Yeah, here. I literally just joined. The fuck. Oh, it could be a capital N, capital E, capital N, F, capital O, capital C, all caps. I think my dad's will be just one cap. Because it's my dad's kind of name for his things, but I just kind of kept it. I quite like it. It's quite a cool name. It means Northeast Ferrari Owners Club, but you don't need to know that really. It just sounds quite cool. Yeah, wow. Look, see, this support is really fire. Really fire. Let's have a look here. So, guys, also remember, if you guys don't know already, this is NFP day. Make sure to be careful around 130. Even if you're trading GJ and you think it has no effect, it will with volume and momentum. So really be careful with stuff like that. Take your time with it. Take your time with it, and you know, make sure you kind of either leave it completely and just come back on a Monday, or you know, you can have a bit of fun, but be careful. Only risk stuff that you can happy to lose. That's all I'll say. Yes, lovely trading zone. So look, tap that support and look at what's happened now. Retrace, lovely stuff. So whoever's chart this was, congrats, very good. Nice support zone here. So waiting for buys above 153 will be perfect. Perfect. GJ. So you can see the downtrend that we're at right now. 4 hour. If we break these lows right here, 1794. Oh my god, that would be good. So even a sell stop below there would be pretty fire. You just have to have a big thing. Wow, so people are not liking the Trader's Domain. Oof. I thought it was quite good. I've heard quite good stuff about it. That's my chart. Would have bought on the 5 minute, but not my trading style. Yeah, it isn't really mine either, to be honest. But I just saw the opportunity and I was like, right, with momentum at 8 o'clock, we should be pushing. And I don't want to miss another 8 o'clock push. I'd rather lose it than just not be in it. It's pissing me off now. 8 minutes time. If you do get a close below, it could be fire. But the 4 hours also got 38 minutes left to close. Let's get them likes up, guys. You've been in all day. We got a nice trade in the morning. We've been breaking down GJ and Gold. Let's get them likes up to 40, guys. Come on, spam that like button. Spam that like button. I'm going to be doing some giveaways and some shout outs and some, what's it called? Wheel spins and stuff. I kind of want to make it like more Twitch vibey, just to kind of a vibe you can just hop on. More than just education. I want it to be fun. Because everyone's stream on YouTube is so boring, man. It's just boring. Oh, God, it's painful to watch. I want to make it fun. So yeah, man, make sure you get them likes up. It really helps the channel get some traction. And bro, when we're here with like 400, 500,000, 2,000 viewers, bro, you'll be like, oh wait, I was one of the OGs. I was one of the OGs. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to get notified of all my uploads. I'll be doing a day in a live soon, so that'll be really fun to do. And yeah. But look at that, wow, 4 hour closing bearish, but on support, so it doesn't really matter too much. So what I'd say now, guys, for 2 hours you need to wait and leave the charts alone, because this candle here needs to form its top wick and its low wick, etc. That is what needs to be happening. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to be playing one more song. I feel like a DJ, so get this ass off. I'm gonna actually I'll put the music video on it as well because it's pretty fire. Let's just vibe to this to the end, because we got a trade, we got a GJ trade. Let's listen to this shit. I fucking love this song at the moment. Not this song, eToro, fuck off. The amount of adverts I get. Later on, we're gonna get some buys, bro. I gotta get to them back in the read and know when they're trying to hit. I gotta look at the team. It's time for the league. Songs get time for the league. Get them likes up, boys. Get them likes up on Friday. I don't want no Friday stuff. To be fair, what we should do, guys, would you guys do this, right? I had to whip with the branches when I had beautiful bodies like Bruce Lee. She's such a mugger. I showed her my coochie. I had to stay with a spit little two-see. Yeah. Guys, would you do a kind of GJ? GJ, drop. Wait. Wait. Look at this song. Wait. I'm gonna get copyrighted for this shit. I know. Down. Wait. Look at this song. This song's fire. Down. Yeah. Here we go. Listen to this shit. Down. Nah, it's just copyright though. But I think I'm gonna buy a couple songs. I think I'm gonna buy that song copyright. I'm gonna buy the ski one. And I'm gonna buy another one as well. Cause that'll be fire, bro. He's deleting it. So yeah. Why are YouTube moderators deleting the shit you're saying? You must be saying some bad shit. Cause if you send a link, it'll be deleted. Oh, it's a link. Down, get down, down to down. So in 2 minutes time, 2 minutes 50 time, we're gonna get a close. We've got 30 likes in the stream. We've got 30 people watching, bro. So for continued sales, obviously this isn't kind of my trade now, so it's 9:30. Volume seems to start to die down, I feel. But for longevity, we actually are closing below the support right here, which is made right here. We're closing below in 30 minutes time. In 2 minutes time, we're getting the 30 minutes close. Let's see if we closed before. So we did get some closures. So it's actually 30-minute support here. So I'd advise people not to touch any sells, to be honest. Wait until NY comes. It gives you kind of more of a thing. Do you have Zoom so we can join? Yes, I'm going to sort that out. I had a Zoom just before there, but it only lasts 40 minutes, so it's just annoying. So I'm going to have to buy like the thing. But yeah, I'll do that in a bit. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave the stream off here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. We've got a 10 pips on GJ. We looked at GU. We looked at gold, all ranging for NFP. But GJ, we got our trade in the 5-minute time frame. Let's go. So, guys, I'll see you later in the next one. Let's get it!